Big move from Caspa yesterday. Boy, oh boy, this thing just took off. Over in Discord, we absolutely killed it. Oh my God, so many people made money over there. We've seen one for 4,000, another for 2,800, another for 800. Numerous gains over there. Pretty awesome to see. I love seeing that, guys. Me myself, I got out at 17.5. Obviously, it went a little bit higher here, but that was the wedge. That was the width of this wedge here. So that's what I went with. I had money on the table, so I was going to take it. All right, now could possibly be having a little bit of a pullback up here. We're going to go over here in a second. We're going to get right back to this chart, but it looks like possible higher price targets also. All right, let's go over here to the Block Explorer. Excuse me. Got a lot of big stuff happening over here. Rank number 23 now. 92.9 million in volume last 24 hours. That's up huge. Plus about 11% for the day at 18 cents as I make this video. Pretty big. Wow, look at that. There's a 37. Is that 37 million? Is that 205,000 Caspa? That's got to be 37,000. 205,000 Caspa. 205,000 Caspa. What was that? I am very intrigued now. No, that wasn't. That was $37,000. Okay. Geez. There's another one. 205 again, 37,000. That's a different one. This is live transactions going on in the network here, so some big buyers coming in here. That's good to see. All right, let's go over here to the wallets and see if we've had any major additions here the last 24 hours, which I would imagine so. It's been absolutely crazy. Over in Discord, obviously everybody's using leverage over there. Absolutely killed it. I woke up this morning, got on there. It was awesome. If you're interested in joining, guys, sign up for a level 3 membership. You get 9 hours of trading videos, 20 plus videos to teach how to chart the charts, and then you get an invitation over to the Discord so you can join us. Don't miss out on these trades. We've had 6 winners in the last 2.5 days. So yeah, things are really banging over there. It's good to see. I love seeing the members make money. That's my number one thing. I just want to see you guys make money. I don't want to make any bad calls. I just want to see you guys do well. Look at this, plus 1 whale within the last hour. Last 24 hours we've added 6 sharks, 24 dolphins. Last 30 days, all green. And that one humpback, that turned into an Aquaman. So that's pretty awesome. It's been a long time since we had an Aquaman. Months. We had one, and then he disappeared, or she. And now we got it back. So that's pretty awesome to see. Now, if we go over here, I'm just kind of curious. If we go over to the Caspalytics here and see what the wallets. Look at that. 2 wallets now holding 100 million plus, 10 million plus, 27 wallets, 434 wallets holding at least $1 million in Caspa, 4,550 wallets holding at least 100 grand. And look at the 10,000. 24,755 people hold at least 10 grand in Caspa. That is pretty solid. That's fantastic. Great to see. All right, so good to see this company is obviously doing very, very well. Let's go over to the crypto bubbles here. This is for the day. Beam had a nice run, ran up into resistance up there. I covered that in my Beam video yesterday. Went just a tad higher than I was looking at there, just where it ran into the resistance line at. Caspa, ranked number 24, up 2 spots, $4 billion market cap, 24-hour volume, 93.75 million. That's impressive. That's top 25 now, guys. How about that? Awesome. See Wild doing good. H-Bar, Filecoin. Is this Arweave? Yeah, our weave. Yeah, it's nice out there today. Bitcoin having a little bit of a excuse me, a little bit of a pullback there. Let me get a drink here real quick. There we go. That'll take care of that. 24-hour liquidations, 148.5 million. That's up 42, almost 43% from yesterday. Open interest, $51.1 billion. That's plus another almost 3%. And 24-hour volume for the whole crypto market, 121.3 billion. That's up 36.8%. If you go down through here, you can see the volume last 24 hours. All the big ones here. What is it? All the top 20 except Injective and Cardano. Look at the volume. Unbelievable. 90%, 134% for Wild, 98 for Ordi, 96 for Filecoin. Yeah, some big numbers there. Wow. Ethereum Classic. Geez, I can't believe that's actually in the top 20 now. I was a pretty big holder of that the last bull run, and just didn't make the projected target that I was hoping for. So ended up dumping that. Now, if we take a quick look at Bitcoin here, you can see it's either flagging up or pendanting up here. Almost looks like a flag. Is this another move up, or or is this a move down here? Right near that 53,000, that 702 fib level. Now, if we look at the RSIs here for Bitcoin, the 12 hours right on the floor, but look how high it is here on regular RSI. Now we have, let's see here, do we got bearish divergence on this thing? No, not really. The 8 hour, getting towards the floor, still pushing down. Boy, I'm getting real close to losing this pattern up here. The 4 hour pulling down, all right, bearish, coming down, and the 1 hour is right at the bottom here. All right, so keep an eye on Bitcoin. If it loses this pattern up here, could be having a decent pullback here. Out on the daily, bearish, 86 and a 91. Of course, the weekly still bullish, heading up, 71 and a 92. Still got that bearish divergence on the weekly, and the monthly still at a 100 and a 100. Just waiting to see that turn bearish, quite honestly, but has not yet. All right, still above the moving average down here on the monthly, on the weekly. Still above the moving average, but bearish divergence. And on the daily, still above the moving average, but getting close to the moving average is moving up, getting close to losing it there. Boy, getting pretty high with these RSIs. All right, we're getting towards that area where you would think we would have a correction pretty soon. This thing is just marched up and up and up. It's unbelievable. Wow, I don't know how that got on my screen there. It wasn't there a second ago. Let me get that off there. Now, there we go. Okay, so definitely keep an eye on these areas, guys. Especially this either bull flag or wedge forming up here. You definitely want to watch to see if it loses this or not. You can see it has come down there and bounced off of it just as I'm doing this video right now. Has actually bounced off it as support right now, so we'll see what happens. If it breaks out the upside, the measured move for this thing, it's gonna put it, let's see, up close to 54. If it breaks down towards that 50,000 bucks I've been talking about. So we'll see what happens. That brings it down right to a crucial 4 hour support area there too. You can see the support right across there. So that would be interesting. We'll see if we hold it or not. Now over to Caspa. The talk of the day here for for the Discord, that's for sure. And thank you for all the new members that signed up yesterday, guys. I appreciate it so very, very much. We had 4 or 5 new members. We're approaching that 90 mark over there. So thank you very, very much, guys. I appreciate it. Anything I can do to help, just message me, and I will definitely be right on top of that. Now, we ended up having this push up yesterday, which turned into a beautiful move. Now, if you zoom in on this on the 1 hour, all right, I was looking at this just a little bit ago here. You can see a trend line, especially on this 1 hour, coming right up through here. Okay, so if you're charting this, definitely, put a trend line on this thing. If it loses trend right here, you could have an ABC coming in. All right, the only reason I say that is if you pull the fib over here, you can see a hit right on that 702 right there. See that 702 right there? So if this loses this, I would suspect it coming down, right down to right about 17.2. Okay, if it loses this area. So I've been keeping a very, very close eye on that. If it loses this trend line, I might take a small short and ride this thing down. If it doesn't, if it breaks out the top, then we have other targets here we're looking for. All right, now if we could take and go out on a daily on this thing, get rid of this. All right, actually let's go out on a weekly. All right, there we go. Okay, we can take and look for some higher targets here. All right, if we take our fib on top of here, you can see that next target up there at 19.3. All right, I would almost expect us to get there, especially with this weekly RSI just turning up. Okay, so keep your eye on 19.3. If it gets through there, then we're looking at 25.5. All right, now that daily, like I said, that daily RSI is getting right near the top there, 99 and a 93. So if this does break out of this area, if this takes out 18.4, right where we're at now, all right, and starts marching back up, expect it to go for that 19.3. That would be the next target there that I would expect it getting to. All right, so Caspa is looking fantastic. Congratulations to everybody in Discord. You guys killed it. Absolutely killed it. That was awesome to wake up to and see all that. Jim over there absolutely crushed it 100% on his trade. I don't know how much money he had on it, but that doesn't matter. Gains are gains. If you're in the green and you're in the positive, take some money off the table, because these things can reverse just as fast. I seen one guy over there made $4,300. Congratulations. That's a nice chunk of change. A lot of people out there work 2 weeks to make that kind of money. You just made that overnight. So congratulations. All right, guys, thank you so much. Please hit the like and subscribe, and I'll be back with you soon. To the members, I'll be talking to you in Discord real soon. Have a great day, everybody.